I don't know. My tongue is orange. Okay. Roar. Poor Lauren. I'm sorry, Lauren.
No, you're not.
Okay then. I guess I'm not.
Yes, good enough. And she comes out of hiding. Whoa. I have terrible balance. Oh.
Are you okay?
No. I hurt my foot. I feel tall now.
You're Edward Cullen, Blanky. Your battery's 20% low.
Oh, sucks. I'm gonna do the leap of death over the Grand Canyon. Leap of death, and I'm terrified. I'm gonna hit my head. I made it.
Want to stop it?
Sure.